welcome back to another video on the channel. Today, you can already see what the title is. We got the Griddy 101, the tutorial, the step-by-step guide. If you don't know what the Griddy is, you're about to find out. If you want to be a cool, hip parent, show your kids at the function, the party, show them up, show them that you're hip and cool. You can hit the Griddy. You're about to learn it today. And if you already know what the Griddy is, and it's about to be summertime and you want to impress the ladies, you want to impress your man, you can follow this tutorial. It's easy, about 3-4 steps, and you're going to have the Griddy down packed to any song you want to. So just follow these steps and you're going to get it right. So we're gonna start it off simple with the heel touches. It's just simple. You bend your knees a little bit and you just start with the left, right, left, right. Come on, do it with me. Come on, get up, get up, get up. Now do it with me. Left, right, left, right. But you gotta have your knees bend a little bit. Bend your knees a little bit. We're gonna get a little athletic today. So left, right, left, right, just little heel touches. We're gonna pick up the pace a little bit, okay? We're going right, left, right, left. We're gonna pick up the pace. It's gonna become a kind of little skip. You're just going boom, 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 boom. That's all you need. This is just step one. We're starting off easy. We're just getting this little bass down right here. This little bass. Just finding your bass. That's all you gotta do. Now we're to step two. The step two is simple. We're just gonna add a little arms into it. You know, we're gonna start off a little stiff, but then once you level up, once you get a little comfortable, then you can go ahead and add your swag, your pizzazz, whatever you want to add in. But we're gonna start off, we're gonna add in the first step, which is what? The knees, bend your knees and heel toe. We're gonna add just that. We're just gonna add in the arms now. It's just here. It could be stiff, it could be, but once we get gradual, we're gonna add in the swag, you know what I'm saying? So we're just going here, back, forward. But you gotta keep it, remember, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. That's all it is. That's step two. Now that's step two. Not to add that much. We ain't gonna add it too much. I don't wanna trip you up, make you confused and all that. So there you go, that's step two. Now we did step three. Now we're about to put it all together, mix the pot. Like when your mom was making food when you were younger and they put all the ingredients together. Now we're finna start incorporating everything, step one, step two, and add it to step three. And it's gonna start to look a little Griddy-ish, you know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is we add a little movement. We're gonna add a little movement to it. So we're gonna incorporate step one, step two, and step three. What was step one? Okay, it's the heel toe, the left, right. And step two, I'm gonna add the arms, and then step three, I'm gonna add a little movement now. So we're adding everything together. So now it's the left, right, the arms. Now we moving side to side. Hey, I know you can't see, but I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna show you. It may not look, like Justinjefferson right now, but you're gonna get there. I can't give you all the sauce. You gotta add your own swag to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it again. I'm gonna start back here. I'm gonna go forward, add a little movement to it, everything together. So it's left, right, add your arms, left, right, screwed up, side, hey. You know what I'm saying? I don't got that much room, you know what I'm saying, in front of the door. So I'm gonna need you to go ahead and just use your imagination. I'm gonna keep it going. So let's try it again. The left, right, going, hey. And I'm adding a little step a little before it's supposed to be in there. So that's step three. Now we're to the last step. This is the fourth step. It can't be a Griddy if you're not adding in the bees. These are the bees. If you don't know what the bees are, it's not a Griddy unless you throw the bees up. So these are the bees, no affiliation. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add in the steps 1, 2, and 3. Step 1 was the heel toe. Step 2 was the arms. Step 3 was the movement with it, little side to side. And now we're gonna add in the bees. So what you're gonna do is turn the music on, whatever. During this video, you can do it after all together. We're gonna incorporate everything together with the bees. All right, y'all ready? All right, come on. We're gonna hit the all together. Hey, 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 hey. But you gotta have your bees. Let me see your bees. Put your bees up. Let me see your bees. See, look, I don't believe it because you don't believe in you're not believing in yourself right now. I'm gonna need you to believe in yourself when you put these bees up, because this is what's gonna make you be the man, be the woman, be whatever you want to be at this party or wherever. Get together in front of these people. So we're gonna do it all together again. Ready? All right, go. Hey, 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 hey. And now we'll complete this tutorial. Steps 1 through 4. That's your homework. Start off with 1 and go through 4. Don't skip from 1 to 4. Like I said previously, you got to work gradually up and you continue to master it. And just like always, I appreciate y'all and thank y'all for stopping by. You didn't have to watch to the end of this video, but you did. And I just want to say thank you, subscribe, like, whatever you need to do for more content. But appreciate y'all and I'm out. Nah, I'm just playing. Hey, I can't go out like that. You know what I'm saying? You gotta add the music. Now I'm out.